Please don't sit and play with your phones or your calculators. Please stay with me, okay? Promise?
I think you promise.
Okay. We started here yesterday, correct?
Correct.
And we wrote down like the area equals, and we worked this one out, right?
Yeah.
And we decided the diameter was what?
5.
10. That's right. The diameter was 10. We got the radius is 5, the diameter 10. So where we are going to go with this today, at some point, is I'm going to give you the area of a circle, and I want you to tell me the circumference. Or I will give you the circumference and want you to tell me the area. So after we worked all this out, let me see if I can get back there. Okay. So this is what you have written on your paper, right? Right here? Yes? Okay. So if I said to you, what is the circumference? What would you write down?
C equals pi d.
Perfect. C equals pi d. What is the diameter?
10.
10. So you would write down C equals 3.14 times 10. So do you see now how we went from the area of 78.5, found the radius, found the diameter, plug the diameter in to find the circumference. So you just kind of made a full circle there. Everybody with me?
Yeah.
See what I did there?
Yeah.
All right. We're going there today. It's not that you'll get it, I promise. So let's look at example 1. We are always going to write the formula. Always write the formula. Example 1 says the area is 314 square centimeters. Area equals, what's the formula?
Area equals pi.
Pi.
Perfect. What is the area?
The area is
Perfect. 314. What do we use for pi? Radius squared. Make sure you're writing it down. You good? Now what? Divide both sides by? Perfect. Is Kyle the only voice I'm hearing?
Yes. Yes.
Kyle can't talk anymore. Consider that a compliment.
Okay.
If I silence you, that means I know that you're good. So, you're good. Kyle's got this. I need to know the rest of you do. What is 314 divided by 3.14? 100. Awesome. Now, we got to get rid of that 2, right? So, reach your brain back from yesterday. Remember that radical sign we talked about? That means square root. Now, I'm pretty sure that you don't need to put in your calculator what the square root of 100 is, do you?
Yes.
What is it? It's 10.
Oh.
So the radius is 10. What is the diameter?
20.
20.
How was it 20?
The diameter is the radius times 2. It's written on the board right there in front of you.
Okay.
Diameter is the radius times 2. The radius is half the diameter.
Okay. Thank you. I got that.
Oh, awesome. Okay, let's look at example 2. Formula, area equals pi r squared. Caden, what is the area?
452.16.
Write it down. Equals, what do we use for pi?
3.14.
R squared. Perfect. What do we do?
Divided by 3.14.
Awesome. That one just goes by. It becomes a 1, right? Because 3.14 divided by 3.14 is 1.
Correct.
And what is this right here? 144.
Can you use a calculator from now on?
Now we're going to use the square root. And I'm recording. Well, I mean, you don't have to say sorry, but I mean, just it's picking up your voice too. I'm just letting you know.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that one goes away. And what is the square root of 144?
12.
12. Perfect. So the radius is 12. What is the diameter?
24.
Awesome. How are we feeling about it so far?
Pretty good.
Good.
Pretty good. Anybody like completely lost? Okay. Because it is time to rock your world. You ready?
Yeah.
Open your mind and trust me. Okay. Remember on the beginning assignment when I said If they don't change pi, you don't change pi? Yeah, say that again. If they don't change pi,
They don't change pi.
I don't change pi.
I don't change pi.
The circular carpet has an area of 256 pi square centimeters. What is the radius of the carpet? What is it asking us for? The radius. What does it give us?
The area.
What is the area?
256.
No. Somebody said it under their breath. I heard you.
It was Kyle.
It was Kyle.
256 pi.
What is it?
I said it
256 pi.
256 pi. Listen to me. The area is 256 pi. Are you listening? The area is 256 pi.
Yes.
So I'm going to write the formula. Area equals pi r squared. What is the area?
256 pi.
Perfect. I'm going to fill that in. Did they change pi?
No.
I'm not changing pi. What is 3.14 divided by 3.14?
3.1.
1. Good. What is pi divided by pi?
Pi.
Somebody said it. Was it you?
Was it 3?
What is pi divided by pi?
1.
1.
I said that.
No, you didn't. It is 1.
Come on.
Any number divided by itself is 1, right? So if I divide this by pi, it goes away, right? Right? That goes and becomes a 1. And guess what happens here? It goes away and becomes a 1. So we are left with the radius squared equals 256. Now what?
Oh, you square root.
Square root. Perfect. If you don't know what it is and don't want to look up there by Kyle and Sierra, you can put it in your calculator. Square root of 256.
16.
16. The radius is 16. Is that what it's asking us for?
Yes.
Perfect.
What about the formula for when
You don't have to use that. You can if you want. I write it there kind of as a guide. I don't like to use it because I like to do it kind of on my own. Mr. Ruiz, if you feel the need to discipline somebody, you don't have to take into account that I'm recording.
Okay.
Let's look at an example. Did y'all get that?
This right.
Let's look at example 4. The area of the drum head is 153.86 square millimeters. Find the diameter of the drum head. What is it asking you for? What does it give you?
Area.
What is the area?
153.86.
Did they change pi? Do you see a symbol?
No.
So did they change it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. That means you change it. Formula. Area equals pi r squared. What is the area?
153.86.
Equals, what are we using for pi?
3.14.
3.1.
R squared. Everybody with me? Got it written just like I do? Now what? Perfect. 3.14 on both sides. And y'all can go ahead and put that in your calculator and tell me what it is. What is it?
49.
49. Jimmy, are you writing anything down?
Was.
You dropped your pencil so you can't write anything now? What is the square root of 49?
Okay.
It is 7. What is the diameter?
14.
Is everybody with me? Okay, on 5. If the clock has an area of 253.34 square millimeters, what is the diameter of the clock? What is the formula?
Area equals
radius
pi r squared.
What is the area?
254.34. Pi.
What do we use for pi?
3.14. R squared.
And go ahead, do it. I don't have a calculator. I'm trusting y'all.
81. 81. Hey, you can't talk.
In trouble.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, if I do silence you, it is not because I don't want to hear you. It is because I believe that you know what you're doing. Okay? So consider it a compliment. What's the square root of 81?
Shoot. What was
9.
9. And so what is the diameter of the clock?
18.
Perfect. You guys are kicking some serious tail. Good job. Let's skip. Let's do number example 6. Find the radius of the dartboard with an area of 16 pi. How many of you already know the answer? What is it?
3.
No.
4.
Somebody said it. Yeah. 4.
4.
Good job, Nathan. Good job, Silas. Yes. Awesome. It's 4. How did you do that so fast? Because they did not change pi, did they? Which makes your life so much easier. So if you wrote it down, it would be like this. And you know the 2 pi's cancel out, so you just have to find the square root of 16. Right?
Right.
That's how they did that so fast. All right, number 1 on the we do. I would like for you to do it by yourself, and then we are going to go over it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Uh-oh.
Feel free to go. You can just email it to me. Jimmy, do number 1. Scoot up to your desk and do number 1.
You'll have to use your calculator, right?
Boy, don't ask me that question. Did you just really, Caden? Sometimes I think you ask questions just to hear your own voice.
I like my voice.
Well, I do too, but not when you ask me questions you know the answer to.
You're my favorite math teacher.
I'm your favorite math teacher. I better be your favorite teacher. We're gonna throw down. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna start working it. Let's see how we did. No, we're not moving. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. What'd you get?
6.
6. Is the diameter 6 or is the radius 6? The diameter. Okay, you guys, listen. I want you to do the assignment that you do. You are doing the you do. We're not getting behind. Look at number 5 on page 9. What? Do you not want me to help you? Well, sorry. Number 5 says a round carpet sheet has an area of 625 pi square meters. What is the circumference? That means you got to find the radius and then the diameter and then plug it in the circumference formula.
Whoa.
Okay? I will have this on my computer all day. If you guys need help, just come in during pause and we'll figure it out, okay?
Okay.
All right, now you can clean up.
Dang it, I want more work.